Okay, perfect. Well, so that sounds good already. So let's group it. Actually, we have it already grouped. So what we can do, we can play with some macros quickly. So we want to set up the frequency here. Okay, so let's map the filter frequency to macro number 1. That's going to be our low pass, high pass here, and then the amount of the envelope follower, so we can decide how much of the shift that we want after pressing the keys really hard, and the amount of the LFO, where it is here. Okay, perfect, LFO amount. We of course want to decide how much of the crackle volume we want to have introduced, so let's place it here. And what else? And the reverb dry wet, maybe at this position here, and once more we're gonna play with the decay a little bit. If you want to have it a little bit faster, just have it here. Okay, now let's have decay time, dry wet, let's rename it, reverb, decay time, okay, crackle volume, LFO amount, envelope amount of the shifter, frequency, let's rename this to high pass, let's name this to low pass, and then let's block some values so we don't get we don't cross the frequencies too much. So we have this low pass. We want it to go from maybe not that high, maybe from like what? Let's go 1.5 kilohertz to 11 kilohertz, and then the high pass will go from let's say same all the way to the top. Okay, so let's see what that does. We're gonna set the low pass now like that, high pass like that. I think we messed it up a little bit. It is very narrow. Okay, let's go back. High pass map, and then we want this high pass to go from here, or let's say, okay, 200 hertz. And high pass, low pass is behaving correctly. We should call it high cut and low cut because that'll make more sense. But anyway, there it is. We can set it up. If we go that, it's obviously too high, so let's block it to go maximum to 1.5 kilohertz. Okay, so the high pass will go to 1.5. Okay. Maybe we're gonna go a little bit lower than 200 hertz. Okay, like so. This is all tweaking. I'll of course include that for downloading for free from our website, so you can download this whole device without even making it. Just remember that it's not working in Ableton Live Intro. Give it low pass. Does it work properly? Yeah, we can make it go even lower. So not 1.3. Let's go like that. Okay. Perfect. There we have it. Let's set these parameters to our liking. Maybe this doesn't have to be so dramatic. So let's go the envelope amount from like minus, if you want to go extreme, let's go like 1 semitone. That would be too much, but let's leave it like that. 1 minus 1 to 1. Okay. LFO amount is gonna be crazy as well, so let's change that. So the biggest basically job is to make sure the LFOs and all the values are not going to the extreme, because it has to be very subtle. Okay, perfect. Reverb, dry wet, we can also lock that. So it's going from 0 to, let's say like 40%, that'll be max. And then decay time, also not 60 seconds, but we can go like up to 2 seconds if we really like. Crackle volume, 0 to 1, well, let's go like that, okay. Okay, let's play something here.